Okay, guys, so you might have saw earlier the paper airplane crossbow. Well, I am on the third story of my what's it called? The condo things. Yeah. Well, I'm on the third story and I'm gonna shoot it off of this and see how far it can actually go. Just because. And straight down. Good job, plane. You did so well. Now I have to go all the way downstairs in my socks just to get it. Woohoo, one more flight of stairs. Let's go. Plesno. I wonder if I can get in trouble for walking around with a crossbow. Probably. This is made of a steak and shake menu. Just because. That steak and shake dough. That is some good eating. All the way back up. I'm lazy. I don't want. Oh my god, that is bright. I really don't want to. Exercise for the day. Well, that ended horribly. Let's see how far I can actually throw this. Good job, guys. You're watching a paper airplane video. That was beautiful and majestic. Oh, Lord. That was majestic. What am I doing with my life? Yeah, but that's... I'm awkward. Just because, so... Bye. At the door. I hope they didn't lock me out. I'm home.